Cloud migration doesn't have to be complicated. Migrating apps and data should be fast, seamless, and hassle-free, empowering your business with greater agility, efficiency, and cost savings. Yet a lot of organizations struggle with complex, time-consuming migrations that disrupt operations. Many applications require refactoring or re-architecting before they can transition to the cloud or even shift between cloud environments. And extending an on-premises data center to multiple clouds? That only adds complexity, requiring new management tools, specialized skills, and deep knowledge of public cloud services. But what if moving to the cloud was as simple as a few clicks? Enter Nutanix Cloud Clusters, NC2, the simplest way to run, manage, and optimize apps and data across on-premises, edge, and public clouds. Move faster, scale effortlessly, and unlock the full potential of the cloud without complexity or disruption. With NC2, there's no need to refactor or re-architect applications to get them running in the cloud with all the required performance and resilience. VMs, containers, databases, virtual desktops, and AI applications move as is. Specialized skills and cloud expertise are not required. Whether your apps run in virtual machines or are containerized in Kubernetes, NC2 can support both, giving you the flexibility to run apps where they perform best. NC2 effortlessly integrates with your preferred public cloud, allowing apps to use native cloud services and run within existing VPCs and subnets. This ensures low latency and removes the need for complex network overlays, and to maximize cost efficiency and protect existing investments. Nutanix ensures that your Nutanix software licenses are transferable to the cloud. With a unified console to manage your hybrid multi-cloud infrastructure, you can eliminate the complexity of separate management silos, simplify your operations, and boost cloud efficiency. And all of this equates to faster time to value for your cloud initiatives. Ready to replace complexity with hybrid cloud simplicity? Get started with Nutanix today. One platform to run apps and data anywhere.